what I'd like you to do is just close your eyes now and get in a relaxed position. And we'll begin with just taking a few breaths. And you could try saying on the in-breath, I, and on the out-breath, am. And then with the next breath, just breathe in and tense the muscles of the legs. And as you breathe out, relax the legs. And then with the next breath, just gently tense the muscles of the stomach. And then relax and breathe out. Breathe in and squeeze the shoulder blades together. And then relax as you breathe out. Lastly, check that your head and neck are relaxed. You can turn your head around a bit to free it up if that helps. Surrounding you now and always is a presence of great love and peace and healing, waiting to be welcomed into your life. So let's take a moment to just send out a silent prayer of welcome to that presence of love and healing into this exercise. This presence knows everything about you. There's absolutely no judgment of you. It just sees your perfection, your Christhood. It sees you're an eternal formless spirit, having a few nightmares from time to time that it'd like to wake you up from. You can imagine it as a light shining down upon you, or a hand you hold. It needs your welcome because it can't go against your free will. So know that it's there now, in whatever form suits you. Now you have a choice to pick some issue that you are losing your peace with, perhaps a problem in the body, a pain, or maybe there's someone who you're losing your peace with, someone you're angry at or sad with. Or if you like, you can turn to this presence and say, no, you show me, what is it I need to heal? What is it that I need to find peace with in this session? Let's see if anything's presented to you. If it's with another person, bring the situation to mind, make it real for you. The last time you met, perhaps, emotions were generated, and you'll start to feel them again in your body. Let the seeing come back. Let the feelings be there. And just bring your attention to that area of the body with acceptance. Or if there's some physical ailment, again, same thing. Bring your attention to that area of the body. So it's the same process, whether it's psychological or physical. And now become interested in that area. You're not trying to fix it, heal it, change it. You're there to accept it. That sensation in the body, how large is it? Where does it start and where does it stop? What shape is it? How deep does it go into the body? Do you see a color there? Does it feel any hotter or colder than the rest of the body? Lastly, how dense is it? Has it got a toughness to it? Is it a light texture? So this area that we're accepting is the area that needs healing. Now turn to your guide and ask for a symbol, a picture, to arise spontaneously in you that describes this area. See what comes. And whatever comes, again, accept it. Sometimes the symbol looks a little frightening, but that's okay. This is what you created for some purpose. Now imagine two doors in front of you. And on the left door, just place the symbol. We'll be coming back later to this door, but it's sort of hanging on the door. Ask yourself, do you want to keep this symbol or do you want it healed? It's all right if you want to keep it. But is it time to be free now? Free of the psychological pain or the physical pain? You're keeping it there, so you have that power. Is it time to be free now? If there's a yes, turn to your guide and say, please change, please transform this symbol, heal this symbol, and let another symbol take its place. and just spontaneously allow something else to arise. Whatever arises, again, just try and accept it. Ask yourself, do I want to keep this symbol? Or would I rather go back to the old one? Because I'm not yet ready to leave that. Either answer is fine. And now take this second symbol and place it on the second door, say the door on the right. So now you have a door with the old symbol on the left, and the door on the right has the healed symbol. You may not have made your mind up yet which symbol you want to keep, which door you want to go through. But now you can choose a door, or if you're curious, you can have a look behind both. Open a door, and there's your path forward into life. This is how your life will be if you keep the symbol, or if you choose to keep the old one and carry on there, or if you choose to keep the new symbol, the healed symbol. What's behind the door? You can walk through that door holding the hand of your guide. On that path, you'll meet the issue, the physical pain, the psychological pain. Perhaps there's some form of symbol, or perhaps you see a person. If the issue has been with a person, you can thank them for the lesson they're giving you. And if you've chosen the healed symbol, you can give it to them as a gift if you can. If it's a physical problem you're dealing with, you can say to it, I no longer need you now. I have kept you long enough, and now you can go. I made you, I now release you. I no longer need you. Take what time you need to finish. And when you're ready, just come back to the room.